Today's class, good morning, good afternoon, sir. Today's class is going to be on responsible creation with AI. If you observe recently, everything we've been discussing has been on how we can supervise AI, making sure that whatever AI is giving us is the best output it can get.
Yes.
Our class today is going to be on responsible AI, how we can get ideas and publishable assets that we have supervised and we have ensured that it is the best and it tallies with what is on our mind and it passes, like it's passed with what is acceptable to intelligence. The core principle we need to understand is supervision. We use AI to create professional materials, but we have disciplines we've been coming along with. That is, the idea belongs to human. AI drafts what we have given it as an idea to draft for us, and then we review it as the professional. We tell AI again to refine it, and then we approve it as humans, then publish. That is the workflow we have been coming along with, and that is the same workflow we are going to use for today's class. That is,
Okay.
idea is your expertise. AI draft for you to manage your speed. Then you will judge as humans, and then for efficiency, you allow the AI to refine what it has drafted based on your judgment, based on your review. Then for accountability's sake, you don't run with what AI refined for you. You will have to approve it and vet it.
Okay.
Moving on. What we are building today is professional presentation and running documents. How do we design documents to ensure that we have these visually appealing and aesthetically beautiful designs so that people look at it and be like, oh, this is very, very nice. Also, how do we make sure that our report is actually efficient and functional? It appeals to human intelligence. It does not look like something that is just conjured out of thin air. So in the next few minutes, we're going to look at the first two. We are going to look at two tools today. One is Gamma, GAMMA. It is used to structure creation, to structure document. It is used to do presentations. You can use it for concept notes, to take notes, just like what we understood last week. And we can also use it for proposals, to draft proposals and to structure documents. What its strength is on is that it helps us turn rough ideas into organized content, right? So there are four things we're going to look at today. We're going to write a short idea, paste it into Gamma, generate presentation and review structure. I'll lead. I'll show you what I'm going to do now, and then you can do it as well on your end. So I have opened a new tab now. You can see that I have opened a new tab. I will type Gamma in the Chrome tab. You can follow it as I'm doing it. You can follow it.
I'm following it now.
Okay. So the first thing you see is Gamma AI PowerPoint creation. We are in Gamma. Let's log in. I'll continue with Google because my account is already on Google, so I'll just allow Google to run the sign in for me.
Yes.
So I'm choosing my account here. and I continue. If you have any questions, please let me know as we move on.
No, not at all. I'm following.
Okay. Okay, done. So let me continue again. I don't know. Okay, I'm in now. Oh, I'm no longer sharing screen. Are you in?
I'm watching what you are doing. I can't see it now. I can see it again. All right.
Okay. So Gamma is asking me how I want to use it. Let me still go with for personal use. What am I? I'm a consultant. Just me. Let me create from scratch and also uh, I'll pick everything because I'm going to be using it for everything. Continue. Okay, I'm in. Let's create with new and generate is very recommended. Create from online prompts in a few seconds. So let's generate. Gamma is asking me what I would like to make or generate. Let's see what we have there. Write a short idea, paste into Gamma, then generate. So what the prompt you are going to put there is create a 6-slide professional presentation based on we don't have a topic. What topic should we put? Do you have a topic idea, sir? We want Gamma to create a presentation for us. Maybe you have a presentation you want to do maybe tomorrow or something, or there is a presentation you are procrastinating.
Don't worry, I'm okay. I'm with all this. I understand.
So let's do it. Okay, write a 6-page presentation on tools for professional law practitioner.
For professional what?
Law practitioners.
Okay.
So write a 6-page presentation on tools for professional law practitioner. Then I click generate outline. What Gamma will do first is to generate outline. So once you generate the outline, then we can now review it. So it has generated this outline.
Let me see the outline. I can't see it.
Oh. You can see my prompt here. Write a 6-page presentation on tools for professional practitioners. And here is the outline. Tools for professional practice. There is slide 1. Slide 2. Why legal tech matters today. AI adoption among lawyers. Surge from 19% in 23 to 79% in 24. Modern tools save biblical hours by automating contract review, etc. Staying competitive means mastering technology that enhances precision and client services. 3. That's slide 3 now. AI-powered contract tools. Spellbook and Ironclad. Spellbook, AI contract drafting, automated redlining, negotiation ready clauses, ideal for transactional lawyers and in-house counsel. Ironclad enterprise-grade contract lifecycle management with AI-driven workflow. You can see now it has given us some new tools that we've not even been working on, and we can try and test those ones.
Yeah.
Then slide 4, case and practice management software, AI legal research and analytics tool, essential tech skills for lawyers. That's slide 6, and slide 7, litigation. Slide 8, navigating AI risks. Slide 9, integration workflow. And slide 10, conclusion, embrace legal tech to elevate your practice. It has given us a very beautiful 10 slides, just easy like that. Reviewing this, we can actually review this. What we do is that we can add more if we want, or remove if we want, and then we can restructure the context if we want, the content if we want. We want minimal, we want concise. What we have now is concise. Then we can even have it as detailed if we want, or extensive if we want.
Right.
I can choose the visuals. We can choose the sort of visuals we want, if it is this. If we want to add images, AI images, excuse me, we can add from stock photos or tell AI to generate image for us. So AI will automatically generate image, and we can select the sort of image we want. If we want illustration or photo or abstract or 3D, these are the things we can do with them with Gamma. And we can add extra keywords if we want to, and maybe this one to make it soft lavender. These are the keywords we can add if we want. If we are done and satisfied with everything we have, we generate.
Wow.
We're watching it generate. We are going to wait for the AI to create magic now. It's already generating the whole slide deck, putting in the bullet points, instructional notes, things we're going to say, and it is designing the whole slide deck as it is putting the content together, doing the architecture.
Yeah.
Adding the images, the text. We don't have to do anything, just sit back and watch AI do the thing. Because what we have done is that we have given it an idea. It has produced a draft for us, which we have already reviewed. We have refined it. So this is the refining now. We are at the refining stage. Once it is done, then we can approve and run with it if we are okay with everything that we have.
Yeah.
Gamma is saying that we've made our first Gamma. It's easy to customize edit, and if we want this. So this is a tutorial that we can now see. Every card is made out of editable blocks. All these blocks are editable.
Yeah.
Gamma uses cards to contain content. So these cards contain our contents, and every card and each card is editable. And we're ready to go. So these are the things we can also do. We can add a card, we can drag to the other cards, we can add charts, diagrams, and embed more cards. We can change the theme if we want. We can edit, we can try presenting from here, and we can share or export as we want. Export, that is download to have on our system. This is what we have.
Yeah.
What do you think? Beautiful?
Yeah, very good. Fantastic.
If you want to create slide or presentation for your next review, you don't have to do any so much problems or whatnot. Come to Gamma and generate something good and edit it to your taste. This is Gamma for you, ladies and gentlemen. Do we want to create something else? Do we want to go back to the prompt? Maybe we are not satisfied with what we have. We can go back to the prompt and we find the prompt again.
Yeah.
I trust you're going to try. Are you trying it out already, sir?
No, I'm not trying it out. I'm just following everything you're doing. I'm all right.
Are you on your PC?
Yeah, I'm on my PC.
Try it out yet?
Eh?
I need to try it out and share your screen. Let's see what you got.
No. I'm okay. Don't worry. I don't need to. I understand very well.
All right. All right. Let's move on then. We have seen how Gamma works, and we have been able to add a supervision layer, and we have been able to verify so many things. The claims that are made by AI, the assumption, and what is missing, and what must be verified. These are the supervision layer that must be
Wait,
followed.
one question. You said there are two tools for professional presentation. Gamma and what? Is this the second
Gamma
one?
and Canva. The second one is Canva.
How do you spell that one?
Canva.
Okay. And then this
So,
supervision layer can be used for either of them, Abi?
yes, for all of them.
All right.
So the idea is to make sure that the claims the AI are making, the claims they are making are correct and it fits into a narration. The assumption AI is making is not biased or false. What is missing? What exactly should be in our prompt or should be in the result and is missing? We must make sure that these things are verified. Then what must be verified? AI is making some assumption or is making some claims. They are not verified, they are verified. We need to ensure that all the claims and assumptions are verified. These are the verifications we need before we show or run with the output AI has given us. Canva visual is next we're going into. What is Canva? Canva, unlike Gamma, which designs everything with AI for you, Canva still needs your input by putting some text and doing the arrangement to yourself, but it is quite easy, especially if you're on the paid version. It is quite easy. You don't have to do much. Just tell the AI what you want, and AI do the whole thing for you, but you still need to put one or two hands in it. What is Canva best used for? Slide design, one-page documents, visual summaries, brand content. So the strength of Canva is on turning content into professional visuals. If you have content and you want to turn it into professional visuals, Canva is best for it. Let's take one Canva enhancement exercise and let's see what we can achieve with this. We are going to take one slide in Gamma, we're going to paste it into Canva, and then we are going to apply Magic Design templates and adjust the visuals ourselves. So let's take one slide here. Let's take one slide here. We are going to export this card. Let's export it as PNG. You see the way I'm exporting it, sir?
Yeah, I can see.
And it will interest you to know that all of the classes we've been taking, I've been recording it, I've been putting it on YouTube. You might want to see them. I'll post the link to your DM as soon as we're done.
No problem.
In case you need to refine again, you can always go back to YouTube and watch it. I've been able to download this card. Then I'll open Canva. I'll type Canva on Google. And I'll open the first link it brings me. Canva is asking me, what do I want to design today? It is presentation, my dear. So I click on presentation and it shows me a presentation. What do I have to do? Nothing more. I'll come to my download.
Where's your download?
What I'll do is I need to bring in the slide that I downloaded from. Oh, I've not been sharing my Canva slides. Let me start again. You can see this. Oh, I closed it instead. I hope you understand how I got into Canva now, sir.
Yeah, you just went to Google and type Canva. Yeah.
Okay, so I'm in Canva, and then it's asking me what I want to do. What will you like today, or what will I do today? I want to do presentation. I clicked on presentation. I'm sharing this tab. It has opened presentation tab for me. Then I need to bring in, I can actually design new proposal from here. You can see new templates
Yeah.
for presentation. But I
Yeah.
want to refine the presentation that I brought from Gamma. And remember that
Yes.
yeah, so just one picture. So I'll come to upload here, and then I will say upload files. It has opened my download for me, and I'll click tools for professionals, and here I go. It's going to load it here. All I have to do is to click, and it comes here, and then I will extend the vertices here so that
Oh, you lost me there. Oh. So you
okay.
uploaded, and then what did you do?
So when I uploaded it, it appears in my uploaded files here on the
Okay.
left. You can see all I have to do is just to click the image and
Okay.
it appear on the canvas here, on the
Yeah.
canvas. So then I'll do it this way. I'll extend the vertices here, so that it fills the just like that. Do you understand? Do you understand, sir?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, let's move on. So now all I have to do is to do it with Magic Design. I want to redesign this so that it feels very, very beautiful. I'll come to edit here. I'll come to edit, and I will say I'll use this Magic Studio to see what I can do. You know what I can do is I can do so much. All the text here are not editable on Canva because I imported it from somewhere. But I can
Yeah.
remove the background, this purple background. I can remove it. In fact, I can generate new background for this
Yeah.
so that there is another background for it. I can use magic eraser to erase anything I want, or I can magic grab an image or grab this text so that I can edit the text separately. Then I can turn the image there to video, and I can use expand it if I want. I hope
Yeah.
you're following, sir.
I'm following, but it's getting very technical now. You need to be using this all the time to be this technical now.
I have actually not done anything yet. I'm showing you the tools in Canva, what you can do with all these tools in Canva. I've
Yeah.
actually not done anything except that I extended the vertex here.
Yes.
So, like I said again, I'm going to recap. We are still within time. We can use this tool to remove the background. So, if I want to remove this background, I click background remover. It is going to look for background in this image and remove it. I don't know if you
Wow.
can see what has
Yeah, I
happened.
can see it.
Let's use this arrow back to return it to the state. You can see this
Which
arrow back.
arrow are you using?
Look at up,
Yeah.
undo.
Undo.
Yes, we use it to undo. You can see I
Okay.
click it to
Got you.
undo.
Got you.
If I want to bring it back, I'll click this arrow.
Yeah. Got you.
Let's undo. Let's see what you can do with this second tool, BG generator. This one helps you to help us to generate background. So we can tell the AI what background we want or the mode. So let's have, since it is professional, let's have a court of law scene with the lawyers in a happy mood. Simple. Now let's generate. That's what background is going to give us. We can see how the AI is conjuring up
Yeah.
new background thoughts. Look at it has brought up a very beautiful background for us. If we're not happy with this background, we can generate again. It will give us an entirely new different one. You see something beautiful. Very
Yeah,
new
I can
one.
see it.
Interesting. Okay, I think we're good with this one. Let's back. Magic eraser, erase something, erase any part. Let's turn it to video. Let's use image generator. Let's use prompts. Make the image jump. Okay. Okay, I've reached my AI limits because all the AI has limits. So I've reached my AI limit for it refreshes until March 1st, so I can no longer use AI. But what I can do now is that I can create
So
more.
when it says you reach your AI limit, that's because you are not paying, Abby.
No, I'm paying, but the AI has tokens. That is the how much of the AI you can use per month. I'm not the
Okay.
only one on this on this Canva team. I have a lot of people on it that uses the Canva along with me.
Okay.
So they too use, and the more they use, the more the AI the limits go. This one is a paid Canva. That's how I'm able to access all of these tools, this Magic Studio tool.
All right. All right. Got you.
All right, so these are the things we can do with AI, and what we want to do is that we can actually create more. If I add more page with this plus, I can come to template here and add new pitch. Since it is a pitch deck we are creating, we can use any templates and apply all 11 pages. You see, it is loading all
Yeah.
the 11 pages.
Yes.
From here, we can continue to edit if we want. You see that we have been able to create very beautiful slide from here. So what we have to do is to add list of content. So what are we showing people? What is going to be contained? Who we are. Edit this one. Edit to fit whatever we want to do. So if we're
Got you.
going to use Gamma, we use Gamma, and we can even import all the content of Gamma. We can import it to Canva, redesign, and do whatever we want to do. I hope you understand, sir.
Yes, I do.
Okay, we are rounding up now. We have been able to learn two beautiful tools today, Gamma and Canva, which I believe it is going to enhance what you do from here on and everything anybody do. So, quality gate, this is very important to check before publishing what claims are being made and are they checked. The assumptions, are they reviewed? Sensitive information, are they removed? Because sensitive information is very important. We don't just AI is such that we should not put sensitive information on AI because AI normally save memory. Whatever we discuss with AI is saving it and they use it to train the new models that we're building. So if we tell AI our age, AI will save the age and they will use it to train the next coming AI model.
Yes.
Everything we put in AI must be responsible. So sensitive information must be removed. Human approved, yes, it must be human approved. Now let's go to our creation stack. Our creation stack must be what tools are we using for our creation, for everything we do. We must understand what tools we are using. My workflow, what workflow are we using? You must follow the workflow we've been talking about. That is idea, drafting, write, review, refine, and approve. That should be our workflow. And then our quality gate, check, stack, and reflection. What is the reflection? AI speaks. we have learned that AI speeds our creation. It helps us avoid or overcome creative block. And then judgment protects reputation. So if we want our reputation to be saved, like to not be tainted, then we must judge everything AI gives us. That is the quality gate, and that makes everything we do beautiful. Do you have questions, sir?
No, I'm okay.
All right, thank you very much. And this is the end of the class. We've been able to understand so many things today, which includes the ideas, which includes the tools that we must use for in our professional practice. Last week we learned a lot of tools, and this week we are learning more. This video is recorded and it is going to be uploaded to YouTube. So in case you
Matthew, what was that last section that what did you call it? Something layering.
Okay, I called it, let's quickly look at it again. Structured layering, supervision layer. It is used to understand the claims that are made by AI and the assumption, as well as to understand what is missing from the output the AI has given us and what was verified. Remember that it follows the workflow that we have, which is idea made by people or made by humans, ideas of human. Let's look at the structure again. Ideas, the draft made by AI, human review, AI refine, and human approval. That is the structured layering. Do you understand?
Okay, got you. I've got you.
All right, so we're done with today's class. If you want to understand again and you want to go back, it is going to be on YouTube. You can from there understand. And if you have questions, I'm always ready to answer. Thank you very much. Please subscribe also watch the video on YouTube. And you can comment and like, sir, or share with your colleague or anybody you want, sir.
Thank you very much.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much. I appreciate